Welcome back to Zenbrave Yoga. Today I'd like to offer you a little tip or technique to help improve or develop your Bakasana practice at Crow Pose. So let's get into it. Bakasana is quite an advanced forearm balance, so make sure you warm up with some shoulder rotations. Get yourself into downward facing dog, step it out side to side, even taking some sun salutations. When you're ready, step your feet to the edges of your mat and come to Malasana. Your toes can be at a 45-degree angle or parallel as I have now. Look forward, hands to prayer, elbows between your knees for now. If you can, your heels are on the mat. Bakasana is more about core strength than shoulder strength. And this is the main thing about my tip for today. I'll just turn to the front so that you can see. I'm going to bring my knees behind my elbows, not out to the side where I need to squeeze my knees together to bring myself up. When I move the knees behind the elbows, you find a little shelf on either side, and you can lean forward and just play with bringing the weight forward into the arms. Start with just lifting one foot. Bring that foot back down, lift the other foot, and bring it back down. You might like to just leave it at this for today, but if you're feeling confident, make sure that you have a safe space around you. Lifting one foot, then the other foot. So notice my knee above my elbow. This might take a little practice, but when you do, it enables you to stay in the posture a lot longer and conserve your energy for what I might like to call a Bakasana flow. Jumping back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Take an inhale, upward facing dog. Roll the shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Look forward beyond your fingertips. Bend your knees and jumping back into Bakasana. And again, keeping your gaze forward, chest lifted, and your navel drawing into your spine. If you like, bring yourself into tripod headstand. And take this flow wherever you like. I'm going to just come back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Roll the shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. So it was really that one tip that I share with you today that changed everything for me about Crow Pose. Just a few advanced postures I could bring to my Bakasana practice. Once I learned to make it more about the arm balancing, keeping the knee stacked behind the elbow, not out to the side. Okay? Try it in your own practice. Remember, if you book an online class with me, we can work to any level you like, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or more advanced. Remember to subscribe to Zenbrave Yoga. Click the little bell to stay tuned for any updates, and enjoy your yoga practice. Namaste.